Hi, today I'm going to show you how to bring a CSV file into Microsoft Excel. You can bring it into any spreadsheet program. CSV is short for comma separated values. So often if you get information off a website or out of a computer program, you can request it in comma separated values. And the reason you would do that is so that you could put it into Excel or some other program and then sort it or search for information. So I'm going to show you how to do that with this file that I downloaded off the one of the sporting sites. Let's get started. Okay, here's the file that I downloaded. I just opened it with WordPad just to give you an idea what it looks like inside. So basically, you can see that every bit of information is surrounded by quotes, and different fields are separated by commas. The first one, the first row, is the titles, the column titles, and each subsequent row. Now, if you wanted to search for something or see that information is not that easy to read in that format because the columns don't line up. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. First of all, I'm going to close that and open Excel. Now here's Excel. So what we're going to do is File Open and point to that file. That's not the one. There's the one I was looking at. Now see, Excel knows exactly what to do with it because it recognizes the file is something that it can work with. So it actually brought it right in. And now everything is lined up so that you can sort columns from best to worst, sort them by average, and I'll show you that in another one. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. For advice on this or any other software, my contact information follows. If you like the video and want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again.